Welcome back to our M365 Copilot series. In this video, we will cover the combination of PowerPoint and Copilot in the M365 suite. Before we start, make sure you're signed into your school Microsoft 365 account and that Copilot is enabled in PowerPoint. If you don't see the Copilot button on the Home tab, check Licensing or App Updates. Let's build a slide deck from scratch using just a prompt. Open PowerPoint and select Blank Presentation. On the ribbon, click Copilot, and in the prompt box type, create a 10-slide presentation for 7th grade science on weather versus climate. Include objectives, a 3-part lesson flow, engage, explore, explain, one formative check, and an exit ticket, and a slide with 3 discussion questions. Click Send. It will produce a PowerPoint, and now we can click on it and explore. Copilot can also build slides from your existing documents, like a unit plan, curriculum map, or standard sheet. In the input, choose Attach a File and pick your documents. You can upload Word, PDF, TXT, Excel, and Loop or Pages. Type Create a presentation from this file. Prioritize essential questions, vocabulary, and a short practice activity. Click Send and review. Need talking points? Copilot can draft speaker notes for your whole deck. Go to View, click the Notes drop-down, choose Generate Speaker Notes for all slides or current slide, click Keep it to accept or discard to remove. That's Copilot in PowerPoint. Fast drafts, easy editing, and classroom-ready slides. Be sure to check out our other Copilot videos and more on our channel. Thanks for watching.